Hello friend, Nissan Patrol 2014 customer complaint, driver side air condition blowing hot air and passenger side air condition is cold. What is the reason? In this video I will show you what is this reason and how to repair this problem. Let's check and confirm the customer complaint. There is low cold and there is too much cold. The driver side low cold, the air condition blowing hot air. These two driver side. What is the solution? This is the common failure for Nissan Patrol. In this video I will show you how to repair and remove this cover. This is star elanki and 2 screw 10mm. Remove this cover. There is 2 bolt 10mm and 1 star elanki. I remove this cover. There is 1 motor, damper motor for hot air, left side. You can see better. This is the motor. 2 screw, 1 up and 1 down. Remove this 2 screw. After that, push the door clockwise fully and refix the motor. This is the door for hot air. Fully push clockwise, then fix the motor. This is the adjustment. Now I start the car. This is common failure for Nissan Patrol. On the AC, wait 20 seconds and see what happened. Before driver side normal area, normal air. Now it is cooling good, perfect. Thank you for watching.